In this video, we're going to explore how to embed YouTube videos directly into your HTML web pages. This allows you to enrich your website with engaging video content. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of embedding YouTube videos and some advanced techniques to enhance user experience. So, why should you embed YouTube videos on your website? First, it enhances user engagement by adding multimedia content, making your site more interactive and appealing. Secondly, it reduces your website's bandwidth usage. Instead of hosting the video files yourself, you leverage YouTube's infrastructure. This can significantly improve your website's loading times. Additionally, embedding allows you to use YouTube's reliable video hosting infrastructure, ensuring smooth playback and accessibility. Finally, you gain access to YouTube's built-in analytics and features, allowing you to track video performance and user interactions. Here's the basic HTML code you'll need to embed a YouTube video. The code uses an iframe element. Let's walk through it. You have an opening iframe tag here. The width and height attributes determine the video's dimensions on your page. The src attribute is where you paste the YouTube video URL. The title attribute provides a title for accessibility purposes. The frame border attribute set to 0 removes the border around the video. The allow attribute specifies what features the iframe is allowed to use, such as accelerometer, autoplay, clipboard access, encrypted media, gyroscope, and picture-in-picture mode. Setting allow full screen allows the video to be played in full screen mode. Finally, we have the closing iframe tag. To make this work, replace video_ID in the src attribute with the unique identifier from the YouTube video URL. For example, if the URL is https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals dqw4w9wgxcq, the video ID is dqw4w9wgxcq. YouTube provides several parameters that you can add to the embed URL to control video playback. Let's look at some common parameters. The autoplay equals 1 parameter automatically starts the video when the page loads. Note that many browsers require mute equals 1 to be enabled for autoplay to work. The mute equals 1 parameter while it mutes the video. This is often required when using autoplay. The loop equals 1 parameter makes the video play continuously in a loop. The controls equals 0 parameter hides the player controls, giving you more control over the viewing experience. The start equals 30 parameter starts the video at the 30-second mark. Here's an example of how to use these parameters in your embed code. Notice the question mark after the video ID, followed by the parameters separated by ampersands. You can combine multiple parameters to customize the video playback according to your needs. To make your embedded YouTube videos look great on any device, you'll want to make them responsive. Here's a CSS technique to achieve that. First, create a div element with the class video container. Set the position to relative, padding bottom to 56.25%, which maintains a 16:9 aspect ratio, the height to 0, and overflow to hidden. Then target the iframe inside the video container. Set its position to absolute, top and left to 0, and both width and height to 100%. This ensures that the video scales proportionally with the container, adapting to different screen sizes. This way you ensure that your videos look great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Let's explore some advanced techniques to enhance your YouTube embedding. One such technique is using a custom thumbnail overlay. By default, YouTube displays a static thumbnail before the video plays. You can replace this with your own custom image and a play button. Here's the HTML structure for a thumbnail overlay. First, we wrap everything in a video container div. Inside, there's a thumbnail div containing an img element for the custom thumbnail and a play button. Below the thumbnail, there's a YouTube frame div where the actual YouTube frame will be inserted. Another technique is lazy loading videos. Instead of loading the frame immediately, which can slow down your page, You can load it only when the user interacts with the thumbnail. Here's the JavaScript code for lazy loading. We add an event listener to the thumbnail. When the thumbnail is clicked, we create an iframe element, set its attributes, and append it to the YouTube frame div. Finally, we hide the thumbnail. This improves initial page load time, providing a better user experience. Let's cover some best practices for embedding YouTube videos. For performance, use lazy loading to improve page load times and reduce bandwidth usage. For responsive design, always implement responsive containers for videos to ensure proper display on all devices. For privacy, consider using the youtube-nocookie.com domain for enhanced user privacy. This prevents YouTube from setting cookies until the user interacts with the video. And for accessibility, include proper title attributes and ensure keyboard navigation works with embedded videos. In conclusion, embedding YouTube videos is a powerful way to enhance your web content. With the right techniques, you can create fast-loading, responsive, and user-friendly video experiences for your website visitors. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.